My name is Obi Pascal. In this tutorial, I will be taking you through on how to take care of your missing data in your machine learning model. So in this short video, I will be showing you exactly how to be able to manipulate missing data in your machine learning model using pandas, NumPy, and matplotlib. So with me here, I have a sample file called data.csv. And in this file is just a simple file of a company trying to predict if a customer purchases a particular product or not. So you can see from the Spain role here, there's a missing H. So we are going to try to complete this missing H by getting the minimum value, the mean of this particular column, and then predict what H the Spain customer would have had, in order not to run into runtime errors in our predictions. So as you can see, I've already pre-installed the import the libraries. So let's go straight up and start importing a file. So first we're going to import a data file, dataset equals to, we are going to use the panda library called pd as abbreviated dot read csv parentheses, the name of the file, and next we're going to get a matrix of future. Now a matrix of future is the first three columns here, which is country, age, and salary, while the last column is our dependent variable vector. So we're going to name our matrix of future as x equals to dataset dot iloc. So what is I? This is locate index. So we are going to get a range, and then the first one is the upper bound, and then the second the lower bound, then we'll accept -1. So we are going to only get these first three rows and columns, accepting the purchased row and column, and then we now get the last row and column, which is the purchased, assigning it to y, which is our dependent variable, dataset dot iloc, the same thing, and then instead of applying a range, we are just going to specify the column we want, which is -1. So let's go ahead and print this and see our result. Print x print y. Yeah, I don't mind that. I don't know why it's doing that. So let's go ahead and run our cells and see if everything works perfectly. The import works. You know, Python really have indentation issues, so you have to be very careful the way you indent your line of codes, otherwise you're going to run into errors. As you can see, indent error. So we're going to run it again, and there you go, the cell works successfully, and we print out, you can see it's country, age, and salary as expected, and we print this, and there you go, as expected. Now take a very good look at the Spain column here. You can see under the H we have a NaN value. So what we're going to do in our next video is that we're going to try to calculate the mean of this age, and then see what the Spain customer would have, what the age of the Spain customer would have been if it was specified. So let's end it here, and then in the next video we'll take it from there, and then we'll look at importing the sklen library, initializing the library, and then fitting the data, then transforming the data